Next workout natin, sir, ano tayo? Lunges or reverse lunges or split squats. Yan. Gagawin natin to 10 repetitions per leg. So, pakita natin. Hands sa waist. Okay? Ito muna yung unang base workout niya. Tapos, through the weeks, the months, mag-a-add tayo ng resistance. So, by the way, perfect muna natin yung form and execution. So, from here, from your set position, hands on your waist, step back, big step, down, up, reset, switch legs, down, up. Okay, paano natin gagawin? Paano natin gagawin yung malaking step? So from here, take a big step back, okay, around 1 meter, tapos down, or kung gusto natin sukatin, maglagay lang tayo ng mat dito, mas maganda po. Kunyari yan, tapos may mat para soft yung sa knees. Make sure yung ankles natin nakataas. Okay? Hindi po siya bababang ganun. Okay? Keep it up. Then rise. Reset. Switch tayo. Other legs. So, big step back. Heels up. Check. Nakataas yung heel natin. Hindi nakababa. And then knees. Both knees facing forward. Down. Inhale. Exhale up. Okay po. So, hindi tatama yung knees sa floor. Yung back knee sa floor, okay? And then, check out. Check natin, sir. Ito yung unang magbe-bend, sir, Vilhilio, ha? Yung back knee. So, bend, bend, bend. Follow lang yung front knee. Now, keep your chest up, shoulders back. Hanggat maaari, align or diretso yung katawan natin. Keep it upright. Okay? And then yung toes natin, grip natin sa floor. Grip, pag ganun. Kahit naka-shoes tayo, magandang gawin yan. Inhale down, exhale up. So 10 repetitions and we'll be doing this for 4 sets. One more thing, keeping. So check natin yung paa, okay? Hindi siya magko-cross pag step back nung isa. So pakita natin. Ganyan yung gusto natin. Down, rise, reset, then switch legs. Okay, so hindi po siya pupunta dito sa likod kasi mawawalan tayo ng balance. So may imaginary line dapat tayo dyan na hindi natin i-cross yung line na yan. Again, so lunges tayo. 10 repetitions per leg, bali 20 yan po. So for 4 sets.